Is there a design flaw in the 3rd gen Milwaukee fuel drill? Let's find out. About a month ago, I did a comparison, comparing this Milwaukee 2804 Hammer Drill to the Dewalt DCD996 Hammer Drill. And I came to the conclusion that they were both high quality drills. And in all actuality, especially in the second round of testing, the Dewalt DCD996 did outperform the Milwaukee Fuel 2804. But if you watch the video, then you've seen that I had actually killed the Dewalt drill. It shut down. I never could figure out how to get it working again. I ended up just returning it and getting my money back. I was planning on keeping it because it is a really high quality drill, but with it shutting down like that, I felt it was better just to go ahead and just return it and just stick with the Milwaukee. Now, I was accused by a few people of being sponsored by Milwaukee, and I mean, Milwaukee is not going to sponsor me. I'm a small YouTube channel, but whatever you got to tell yourself, bud. I don't care about any of these companies. All I care about is tool performance. That's it. So if I find one's better than the other, it's just because that's my opinion at that time. Now, it could change. I could like DeWalt better than Milwaukee tomorrow. It doesn't matter to me. I just want the best tool for the money. But this drill is a really good drill. It's got very good power. The battery life is really good on these, and it performed every test that I put on it very well. So this is a high quality drill, but I noticed that I was having trouble with this trigger. And so I called Milwaukee at 1-800-SAWDUST, and I asked them about it. I told them I just purchased the drill a couple weeks ago. I asked them about the trigger sticking, and asked them what would be the best option for me to do. And the lady I spoke to told me that since I had just purchased it, that my best bet would be to just go ahead and return it. Because I have to send it out, it has to be inspected by a warranty expert, they have to decide if it's a warranty issue or not, then I'll have it returned. So I'll be looking at a couple weeks probably to get the drill back. So I had actually purchased this off Amazon. Now, I wrote Amazon customer service and I explained to them the problem. And they told me that I could return the drill, and if I wanted to get a swap out, that they would just go ahead and send it to me and I wouldn't have to wait. So that was something I really didn't expect. So they actually sent this replacement drill out, and I received it within 2 days, and I didn't have to return the other drill. I had 30 days to return the other drill. So I returned the drill. I got this one, and I pulled it out, and I checked, and you know what? It has the same problem. And I'm going to show you right now where I think this problem is. Now, if we look at this here, if I put this in reverse and I squeeze this trigger, it squeezes perfect. I have zero problem with it. As soon as, however, I put this in forward, we start noticing this. So I thought that the problem was that there was an issue with the drill, the original drill I purchased. But after sending it back and getting a second drill, and it's still doing the same thing. This is obviously a flaw inside here where this switches from forward to reverse. So I see I have three options here. I can, one, deal with it. Is it a deal breaker? No. Should a $200 drill kit do this? Absolutely not. I could try to take this apart and see if there's anything I could fix myself, or I could just return the thing and get my money back and purchase a different drill brand. So the fact that this happened to me on two separate drills after returning to first, I have to believe that this is some kind of flaw that Milwaukee has in their trigger system. The fact that when I put it in reverse, I have zero problems. The trigger is smooth. It's only when I put this in forward that I then start to have trouble to where the trigger don't even want to squeeze sometimes. So let me know if you've had a similar experience with this. Let me know if you've heard of anybody's had a similar experience with this. Let me know if you think this is a deal breaker for this drill. The fact that this drill is $200+ in the kit, this flaw should not be there. Can I deal with it? Yeah, but I shouldn't have to. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave down in the comments, let me know your experience with this. Let me know if the fact that I received 2 drills that do the same exact 2 things, if I just have some bad luck with this. Because I seriously doubt that I will receive 2 drills that do the same exact thing. The odds of that will be extremely high. So I have to assume that this is a flaw in this Milwaukee drill. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe down below. I'll continue to do tool reviews, tips, projects, and more. So until next time, man, stay real.